I wanted to share an amusing incident which happened with a patient who was coming from out of town to get a couple of veneers done. Now, we've met this patient before a couple of months ago, and we've taken some study impressions. So we have study casts in hand. I asked this patient over WhatsApp to send me a couple of pictures, tell me about, what she feels, what she doesn't like about her teeth, what she wants fixed. And so she has a couple of complaints. This tooth is a little bit longer, that tooth's a little bit shorter, I want this in, I want this out, this one's discolored. And so she sends me a couple of photos also to back up whatever her chief complaints were. Now, I'm getting completely confused because what she's saying and the photos and my study casts do not line up. It looks like everything is happening in the opposite direction. All of the problems which she says on the left are actually on the right. All the right-sided problems are actually on the left. This is where things got confusing. And then we realized what the culprit here is. She's using her selfie camera. The selfie camera on many phones by default will mirror the image. So left becomes right, right becomes left. And so when they tell you the left side and you're looking at the image, on the image it's going to be the right side. That's why the photos didn't line up with the study cast which I had in my hands. So what is the way out of this problem? It's a little difficult to tell patients to go into their settings and click on mirrored and change the settings and yada yada. You're going to just confuse your patients. What we do is we tell our patients, if you're going to take a selfie, raise your left hand and then take that selfie and send it to us. So now we know that the left hand is raised and that's the left side of the face. And even if it's a close-up of the smile, we say hold the hand here and then take the close-up of your smile, and then we know that which is the left side and which is the right side without having to worry about mirroring. You can go into your Photos app on your phone and click flip horizontal so that it now looks correct for you and you're able to treatment plan remotely much better. Till the next time we meet, I hope I've confused you enough. This is the Dental Review Guy signing off with a smile.